Which one's for me?
This one.
Thank you. Can you...
Can I see?
Just look. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Are you counting?
1,
It
2,
says
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Let's see. Oh, you count from here. That's groups of 1, 2.
I counted
Did you count?
from
This
here.
is 10.
This 10.
Okay. If this is 10, you just add this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1,
If
2,
we
3,
add
4,
that,
5. So this is 10
10.
and plus 6. So it's...
70. So it's 70.
Oh, no.
60,
So it's 10.
60.
But it's 10 here.
No, I'll do the 10, you'll do the 6. 10, 6. 1, 2,
Oh, you don't have to
3,
count. Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 6 and 10.
16. That's
How?
10. So
6.
1 and then 6.
Yeah.
And then 6. Oh, you do the next ones. What? Why?
Look, it's 100 million.
Yeah, okay. So,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay, if this is 10, you can start. Oh, wait.
3,
Mina, I'll teach you the shortcut. This is how you do it.
6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
It's so much, right? Do you want to know how to do it fast? Easier?
I'll do it. That's okay.
Okay.
29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52.
Okay. Before we write,
How
before
to
it
write
write,
52? It's 5 and 2.
that's the 52 is 5 and 2. That's correct. But
I'll
baby,
do it, I'll do
but
it.
that's not the right answer, baby.
What?
Do you know what's the right answer? Did you count this? This is 10, right?
Yes.
So when you count 10,
I'll do the
can you count by tens?
10, 20, 30, 40,
Okay.
50.
So okay, wait. So this one is 10, 20,
30,
40. So can you write 40 here? 40
why?
here. Just write 40 first. Because all of this is 40 when you count it. 40 is 40.
4, 0.
That's 40. Okay. Diba we counted 10, 20, 30, 40? Can you count this? Do you know? If you count all of this, that will become 40. Let's count, okay?
Dad, I already counted. It's already 40.
Do you know how many all of this, if you count? How many? 40. But you're able to count it faster also. Instead of 1, 2, 3, counting each one. You just counted 10 and then 10, 20, 30, 40. It's the same, right?
Yeah.
Again, let's see ha. Calm down. You know when you move forward kaagad without understanding the very easy ones, it'll be hard for you in the future. So we'll do it like this.
Wait, I'll do the ABC. I need to learn those.
Not okay, but not right now, baby. Because you know why? Because you'll be tired na later, and you have so many pages pa to do.
Okay.
Alright. If you obey Mama, you'll finish faster and you'll understand it. So let's say when you counted this one, it's the same answer, right?
I have a lovely plan for you. That's great.
Okay. Can you
Go
count
like
each?
this, close eyes.
I will do it after we do this one.
No.
Alright. Okay. Close. Okay. We count each one, okay? Do it together. 1. We do it one each. So you know, okay. 1, 2, 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
So all of these crayons, how many are they? Can you write?
40.
Can you write here?
49,
Yes.
2.
40 is 40. So all of these, if they're yours, you'll have 40 crayons. Now the shortcut is, again, we'll count 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
no, look at me.
13, 15,
We'll count until
16,
here
17,
only
18,
because they're the
19,
same.
20, 21,
Ah, wait, baby.
22,
No, no,
23,
no.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Nina.
Oh, okay.
Alright. So again, we'll count
1,
1.
2, 3,
Wait,
4.
calm down. Can you breathe? Okay. 1. Are you looking? Can you point? I will count.
No, you.
No, you point, and then I will
Mama.
count. I will point.
You do
Okay.
it.
1, 2, 3. Are you looking?
10.
So this one, how many are they? Just this
10.
one. So this is 10. So if we
10,
count by
20,
10, 10, 20.
10, 20, 30, 40.
So how many are these? By counting the 10, 20, 30, 40.
Wait, there's a line of colors.
Yes, that's right. There's a pattern.
Where's the pattern?
They're all black. They're all blue. Brown. Oh. If you count 10, 20, 30, 40, how many are they? All of these? Can you write down here, baby? That's correct. So, our answer a while ago, by counting one each one, is it the same?
Yes.
But may one. It's only 40. Is it the same? Is it equal, Mina? This one and this one, are they the same?
Yes.
So if you count them, look at mommy. Is this correct, Mina? If I count it 1, 2, 3, 4, each one, and then I count them by 10, 20, 30, 40, is it the same answer?
Yes.
Oh, yes. But it's faster if you just count by tens. If you do it one at a time, it's so long. But it's also the same. It's the same answer.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So you have 40 crayons
this.
here.
I have
Let's
40.
count how many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You write here. How many?
8.
Oh, not after that. Naging 408 na. So it's 40, You can write the 8 at the bottom.
No, why? It's 408, right?
Oh, when you count all of this, is it 408?